Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Chris, and today's a special video because I have no idea what I'm going to be painting. I'm very overwhelmed and kind of unorganized right now with a lot of things. I'm kind of in a weird rut where I'm not sure where to go. So instead of being productive and doing all the things I probably should be doing, I'm going to go paint because it's therapeutic for me and it helps me a lot, and hopefully it helps you. So, you know, sit back, relax, and let's go find somewhere to paint. Since my first painting in the new sketchbook was of the railroad tracks, I'm thinking how cool would that be if I went and found a train or train car or whatever you call them, a locomotive, and I tried painting that on the second page. How fun. So let's go hunt for a train, I guess, or a locomotive, if there's a difference, I don't really know. This whole area is flooded, so I'm not going to be taking this trail, which gets to the trains, and also it's all fenced off too. So I don't think I'm painting a train today. However, there's a bridge or something I can paint. I don't know. We'll find something. I finally found some trains, and they're in the railroad museum, which is all fenced off and everything. So I'm not able to paint that because I can't get close enough. However, just as I pulled up, a real working train drove by. And it's probably the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. And I've seen pretty much every Transformers movie. But yeah, so I'm parked here, and the best thing that I can do is paint this.